RMG Rosalio King Briones.
RMG King.
MG Rosario Rossi Artos.
Rosario Rossi.
MG Virgilio Boy Moncilio.
MG Boy.
Parang iba yata ang hawakan mong certificate.
Boy. Ikaw ba, Boy?
Ako.
Wilson RMG Wilson Tixon.
RMG Wilson.
Okay, kasunod po natatanggap po ng Certificate of Memorandum na pag-witnessan po ng lahat po ng chairman na nandito po ngayon. Si CNP Edge Bayuran appointed then September 15, 2004. We are pleased to inform you that you have appointed as president of GUC GAB PII effective September 15, 2024, where you are hereby advised to secure from National UPES the record material that you will require in your position. The National UPES is ready to sit down with your any briefing that you feel you need to make you effective in the discharge of your function. You are also authorized